My name is Adam Green and I'm from Toronto. Welcome to my backyard, and I'm looking forward to making some pizzas together. Well, first I would recommend a pizza oven to anybody. Brand aside, this is a great brand. Like I said, I thought the design of it and the price and the quality were all amazing. Just being able to have something in your backyard to play with and to cook some great food on with friends, it's really about, for us at least, having some community with some friends, and Ciao Bella has made that possible for us. We're kind of still experimenting and playing with all kinds of stuff, and so at the end of the day it's a great oven, and so we can do whatever we want to do that way, turn it into a bit of a barbecue by putting grill on top. It's super versatile, and just it allows us to have a lot of fun in our backyard.